How do you feel about that?
It feels as if I'm a clown entertaining all the class.
Any funny or memorable incident you would like to share with us?
Actually, this nomination itself is one of the memorable and funny moments.
Your experience as a teacher and doctor in the
As a teacher, doctor, that's what there is no shortcut for sincere, hard work, dedicated, hard work again. You have to be giving your full 100%. There is no shortcut. At least in medicine.
What would you be like to be remembered as a good doctor or as a good teacher?
You've been a good teacher and a clinician. A good teacher can only be a good clinician when he's keeping himself abreast with the latest things. And this can happen to a teacher because he always has to give the latest things happening.
So you have been selected as Students' Choice #1 teacher for the most entertaining classes. How do you feel about this?
First of all, it is the love, affection of my students who have nominated me for this particular, that I'm a most entertaining teacher as far as the classroom of the clinics is concerned. This shows their love, affection, their concern for me. I really feel touched and overwhelmed by the teacher, by the students' concern towards me, and I feel really proud. And I'll try my best to keep up this trend as long as I'm serving the institute and remain as a teacher, and see that this entertaining business, what students like and have nominated me to do, I would rather continue.
So will you please share with us some memorable or a funny incident in the clinics or in the classes?
Okay, I remember it was a first batch wherein I was in civil hospital then. We had affiliation with the civil hospital. Now we are dissociated. We have our own hospital, both corporate as well as the free ward, wherein the students are posted. So that time, before starting the clinics, I asked a particular student to get me a stool. Instead of getting the wooden stools, he got the real stool of the patient, which he had examined. This is the most funniest incident I can say that.
So your experience as a teacher in JNFC?
Okay, fine. It is a wonderful experience, and I love teaching, and I respect teaching, and I have joined this profession by choice, not by chance. So I really love, and I would like to be a teacher of all these wonderful students, and I would rather make my sincere effort to see that I come up to their expectation and continue this trend. And it's a wonderful experience as a teacher. Now I am serving for the last almost 24 years, and I'm proud, and I always say with pride that I'm a student of this college as a PG, UG. Now for the last 24 years I'm serving this institute.
So what message would you like to give the students of JNFC?
I would say that you should not remember a teacher only on that particular day of Teachers' Day, that is 5th September. I want you to remember me throughout your life. I'll tell you one incident wherein myself, Professor HOD, who had been to Bangalore for Capicon work in the month of November, December. While coming, incidents happened. A lady just started talking to us. Moment she learned that we are doctors, she said, "I'm a doctor, a gynecologist," and she said, "I'm a product of Jain Medical College. My husband is also a product of Jain Medical College." Then casually she asked my name. I said, "I'm Vijay Somanawar." Then she said, "Is it GD Somanawar, son?" I said, "Yes." Now I say, he is no more. He passed away way back in 1992. See, my father has passed almost 20 years back, and she was my father's student about 40 years back. Even after 60 years, she had a love, affection, and she praised my father for his teaching. So I don't want you to just remember me on the day of Teachers' Day. I want you to remember throughout your life that I'm a good teacher. And whenever my son or daughter, there are two wonderful stars I'm blessed with, when they come across you people and say that your Virendra Somanavar or Sharvil Somanavar. We had a professor called Vijay Somanavar. Are you related to him? They would say either son or daughter. And you would say, what a teacher we had. Such a feeling I want you to have for all the teachers, not only for me. Not just remember and say something about the teacher, nice words on that particular day and forget us. I want you to remember us throughout your life. That's what the best gift I would say, rather than the gift what you are going to offer me today. So best gift is you keep us in your heart so that we are really touched, overwhelmed, and we are really loved. So this is our asset. I would say always, I'm richer than even Bill Gates. If you take, please don't to misunderstand me on this particular juncture when I'm trying to compare my students with the money. Each student is worth crore. Now just see the strength of Jain Medical College and calculate it. I think I'm richer than even Bill Gates. So this is my asset. My students are my asset, and I'm estimated and I'm rewarded for my teaching in the college. Okay, fine. I will accept it as a most enterprising personality as far as teaching is concerned in the classroom. I love you all for the love and the affection you have shown to me. Thank you.